my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. We are going to have the most fabulous meet and greet ever. It's the Summer Splash 2025 and it's going to be here in Hammersmith in London, United Kingdom. I have been talking to my volunteers. They are so fantastic. I am so grateful to you all. Everything is coming in now, all of the products, all of the sponsorship for the brands. We have the menu for the food, for the drinks. We have entertainment. It's going to be absolutely fabulous. We have the launch of my brand. When I tell you, I'm so excited. We've got vendors. It's going to be a phenomenal day and I am going to share everything with you, my darlings. For those of you that can't make it and you're in other countries, we are going to go live the day before for all of the setup, darlings. It's the first time ever. I'm just going to position the phone so that you guys can just get into all of the festivities. It is fantastic. I am so excited. For those of you that are saying, oh, the fear of missing out, get your tickets and you will see your bestie, which is me, on the 20th of July. It's going to be fabulous. What am I wearing? I am wearing a swimsuit. I am wearing an old swimsuit and I'm wearing a pair of simple pants that I think I bought in ASOS or whatever. The swimsuit is Norma Kamali. Let me just lift them up in there. Yes, because the titties are a little bit saggy, but I don't mind. I'm 56, so you know what are you supposed to expect, Fooms? What are you supposed to expect? But like I said, it is hot out here today and I decided to put my hair also into a ponytail. Well, let's get into it. Why are we here? We are here because we have our fabulous Cardi B, who is in Paris. I saw her wearing a sensational Shipperali dress with a bird. That's her companion these days. Cardi, stay safe. Because her supposed beau, Stefon Diggs, well, it looks as if they might have just broken up. What are you talking about, Fooms? I am talking about Cardi scrubbing her Instagram of all of his pictures. It gets deeper than that. She didn't say anything. You know how it is. Actions speak louder than words. And so, of course, everybody was on it. What's going on so soon? What's happening? Come to find out that our darling Stefon Diggs is not who we all hoped would be. Apparently, there are two women who are expecting his children. One of them has just given birth. Cardi B did not know any of this. On top of which, he's got women all over the place. Very disappointing. But I will get to Stefon in a minute. We also have Offset, who is out here laughing at the tragedy of this once hopeful relationship, sounding and looking and behaving like a hater. Offset, this is Cardi who loved you with all of your flaws. God knows you had a shopping list, put up with all of your cheating. There are also whispers that you had a baby outside on her. She did the best that she could by you until she could do no more. And you are shamelessly out here mocking her because of Stefon Diggs. That says everything about you. And it shows that you actually have no atom of common sense. None whatsoever. Because as perhaps disastrous as this is, she still doesn't want you. That's sad for you. The father of her children, you will continue to stay outside. She pays all of the bills. Even the house of which you reside in with your girlfriend, she pays that too. Or have you forgotten that perhaps you should tread on grateful avenues other than trying to poke the tiger? Because I haven't seen anything creative from you in a minute. Nothing at all. Nothing at all, only below the waist. And you just, poke your third leg in every dirty gutter that they allow you in. I don't know why you're even showing your face. You should be very ashamed of yourself. One would have thought, and this is just maturity, but maturity again, you know, few and far between. You would have kept quiet, that is one. And if you really want to get into Cardi's good graces, you would have sent a message, say, Cardi, I'm sorry about it. You know, I live and love you. I'm sorry, mama. Take heart. We men out here, we're useless, because that's what it's looking like.
Somebody for life, get a baby daddy, get a baby daddy, get a baby daddy. There's no way. I just seen a video of Offset celebrating Cardi B breaking up with this fucking football player fucking nigga. I'm still a barb. But damn, like, I never seen somebody hate their baby mama so much. Besides somebody in the fucking hood. Like, damn. Offset was really messing with this nigga ex. I can believe Offset. But I can, because he just give the type. Like, after, even when she popped out when he was doing the most, I'm just like, dang, just, what? None of this would have happened if you would have proposed to that lady. You would have been wiped up. She would have been wiped up. But no, you want to act like you don't want her and do all this, but you know you really do want her. And then when she get that nigga, you want to act like that's really your bitch. You know that's not your bitch. That's why I hate niggas. I hate niggas. I hate niggas. Listen, you getting a baby daddy, you don't even need no fucking ass bitch. Bitch, he is the op bitch, and he's going to be your op for fucking life, bitch. Remember that.
Stefon Diggs, what a shame. What a shame. Don't go down this route. Because when I tell you, it's traumatic. It's traumatic. You might not see it now. You might think you're having fun. You might think it's, you know, it's okay for you to lie through your teeth and hurt anybody that you come across. Karma is something that you will never see coming on a Tuesday afternoon when you just thought, let me stretch and have a massage. It might not come now, might come later on, but it comes. And you begin to feel pitiful. Then you start to list the people that you've done wrong, and you beg for their forgiveness, because somehow you feel that if you repent, then this avalanche of karma on you will lift. I am here to let you know it will not. It's horrible. It's bad. It's really bad, because you know that Cardi came from a disastrous relationship. And you just took full advantage and said, well, homegirl seems broken. Homegirl is not confident right now. Homegirl needs a little bit of love, and I don't mind dipping into that sauce. Okay. Alrighty. Go ahead and hurt people that did not deserve it and truly, truly liked you, loved you. Oh wow, your karma is going to be strong. Cardi, take heart, mama. It's a lesson learned, and you're going to get it wrong until you get it right. I was the same way. And look, I've turned out kind of okay. 16 years married, happy, blessed, humbled, here doing my thing, minding my business. It takes a minute, but I'm not going to fool any of you girls out here. I kissed a couple of frogs, and there was a time when I just thought, what is wrong with me already? What is wrong with me? I keep on banging my head on the wall, hoping for a different result, until I really took time to heal for me. And it is so important. Cardi, you have been through a traumatic experience with Offset, and you need to set off somewhere and focus on your children and focus on yourself before any relationship. And even having a relationship, do you know what? Be quiet about it. I learned that when I was quiet about my pregnancy with Adrian. I learned to keep quiet, because I had gone through 9 rounds of IVF and I did not know where this pregnancy would go. And we had gotten to the 5th month where we were going to go through amniocentesis. And I just thought to myself, Fumi, you and Ula have been through it. Enjoy this time together. Enjoy this blessing together. And it taught me how to keep quiet. because I love to share. I love to show. I love to share when I'm happy. Sometimes that will trigger. Let me just make sure. That's the front door. These are all of the brands. They're sending products and everything. It really is an exciting time. But I don't want to go because most probably Camilla will be downstairs. Yes, they're downstairs. I love this because you have the security so you can see who is downstairs. Yep, that's it. Perfect. And I learned how to be quiet. Have a lovely, nice relationship on the DL. Don't post anything in case it turns out to be a post that you might have to take down. Don't worry about it. Nobody's laughing at you. I'm not laughing at you. I am for you. I'm for women, and I'm for women that plow through the struggle. All of us are blessed. All of us have something. None of us have everything. Just the other day, Mel B from Spice Girls got married. I did not know she had been dating the guy for 6 years, but she had. And she had been married twice before. She's had her children. This was her time to say, let me look at myself. Let me understand, what are my weaknesses? What are my flaws? I tell you mine. I sleep with you, all reasoning goes out the window. That's why I did not sleep with my husband until our wedding night. Because I had to have clarity. Had to have it. We're all human. We all make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. And you try until what? Until you get it right. All of my love to all of my sisters. This is about Cardi, but it's really about all of us. It's all of us out here in these streets with relationships and these guys who disappoint us, who lie to us. And I feel so sorry for my girls of this day and age because it's vicious out there in those streets. You got to keep yourself really guarded. Keep your legs crossed. Yeah. And keep your heart gated. Keep it gated until you find your prince. He's out there. I promise you, he's out there. But until then, heal. Heal, love yourself, keep yourself, stay positive. Excuse me, sorry, I've just had lunch. Stay positive. Eat your salads. Mind your business. And keep going. Some of you were saying, Fumi, how come you've lost weight in 3 months? No, Mama, it wasn't 3 months. It was 6 months. And it was 25 pounds. You didn't notice until you noticed it. And somebody told me, Fumi, but you know you were fat when it was your birthday. No, Mama. I had lost weight by my birthday, and I'm fine-tuning it, and I'm lifting my weights, and I'm minding my business, eating my salads and my veg, taking my multivitamins, and doing what I gotta do. And for my 50 sisters, the hot flashes have really gone down. And I really contribute a lot of that to the weight loss too. I don't know what's happening, but I'm living and loving. I'm enjoying my nights with my hubby. I don't have those night sweats where I'm soaking the sheets and everything. They've stopped. And that was what really gave me the drive to keep going. Well, the brand is coming. I can't be out here showing backless outfits with back fat. I can't do that. And then this knee has healed. It has healed. I was in absolutely excruciating pain. It was the weight. I had to get rid of it. There you go. I gotta go, my darlings. Exciting times. Tickets are below, and I'll see you at the meet and greet. Yes. Love you. Mwah. Bye.